All right, guys. Somebody bought over 100,000 bitcoins over the weekend and last week. I think it was last week or a couple weeks ago. I can't remember when, but that is why we saw a nice increase in Bitcoin. Cool. So we're gonna go over what happened, who's buying, key support levels for Bitcoin. We'll also go over the chart right here. I'll put some key levels on here: buying levels, support levels, resistance levels. So make sure you stay tuned. Smash the like button, subscribe if you are new. If you are new, my name is Will. I give you guys key levels on the crypto market every day on a lot of different cryptos. So just make sure you comment any other cryptos you guys want me to go over down below, and I'll check those out for you guys. Okay, but we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC USD, on the trading platform. Don't forget, make sure you follow me. Oh, I didn't even click it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, will.knowledge on Instagram, will.knowledge on Instagram. Let's get me over 1,000 followers. So let's go over the news real quick, and then we'll go over back to the chart. So Bitcoin spiked to 20K as well bought. BTC confirmed support. Remember how it spiked to 20K when it was right here, right? So it was like 18, 17,000, and we had that huge run up. It did not last there long. Huge run up back to 20K right here. So that's what they're talking about. Then if we go down, they have a couple things right there. Rose clip for the first time in 5 days on July 4th. So it came back up above 20,000 in 5 days. Now, the important part is down here. Bitcoin has successfully created bullish divergence on the daily time frame for the first time since breaking 20,000. Popular analysts noted. On-chain analyst resource well mapped right here. Meanwhile, confirmed that Wells buying coins at 19,200 had once again provided support for the market. New well level has formed over the weekend's dump. The accumulation is quite large, 100,000 BTC, and happened on the 18th of June. So yeah, it was a couple weeks ago. Prior to that, a large portion of December 2018 Bitcoins have moved from the previous 4K bottom, could be OTC. Look like a great short-term support. Now, they're talking about around that 2019. Remember what I told you guys of when we saw this? You want to be prepared to see that trading sideways. So it lasted from like May 9th, about a month and like a couple days. It traded sideways. Be prepared for that to happen here. Okay, so it started around June, so maybe around like July 14th or so, maybe around like next week, we might start to see some movement on BTC, either down or on the upside. But be prepared for that because BTC has a little pattern that it's doing. Look, trade sideways, pulls down, trade sideways, pulls down. We might see that again. Okay, so be prepared for that. That is something that I'm looking at on BTC. But as you can tell, Wells have been buying it under 20,000 because there's a lot of stuff going on in the backgrounds with people, and they want to start putting like a percentage of their portfolio. Once Bitcoin has a regulation, they want to put a percentage of the portfolio in Bitcoin because that's when it's going to start getting more stable. So if it's like 1%, like these are like $1 trillion accounts. So say Bitcoin goes over 1%, they'll sell it back down to 1%. Say it goes under 1%, they'll buy back up to 1%. So Bitcoin would be more stable type of movements, and you won't see this type of movement in Bitcoin, which is very good. That is what we want. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over a little bit of analysts real quick. I'm gonna put some levels on here for you guys that I see. This is the hourly chart. So if any level breaks on the upside or downside, I will let you guys know. The first one is 20,400. That's a resistance level that I'm watching. And then buying level is actually around like 19,000. I would say 19,300. So I would like a little pullback. I am looking to play Bitcoin shorter term, kind of like a swing trade on Bitcoin. But I just want to make sure, one, that it gets out of that big range that I was showing you guys, right? Because you can even tell on the hourly, kind of just been bouncing around in here, right? So we want to be prepared for this. And that's what I don't want to buy in, right? I don't want to buy in here and then it just goes down. So one, our money will be stalled. And then two, it just pulls down heavy. So we'll actually lose on it. So I'm waiting for either this to break out. That's why I have these levels here. So we can know before it starts breaking above like 23, 22, 23,000, because that's when I actually want to trade it to the upside, right? That's when I actually want to start buying it to trade it shorter term to the upside. So right here, so we don't miss this move, right? So I'm trying to trade it all the way up here, right? But we need to know what happens here first. Does resistance come in and then pull it down, or does it pull up and then start to go up and then a resistance act as support? So big things we need to look out for right now. These are the main two levels. Again, resistance 20,400, Buying level 19,300. Make sure you watch those levels. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at will.knowledge. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button. Let's get the video over 50 likes. Always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything, just for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I will catch you guys in that next one. Bye.